Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then select More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then click on History. And select Clear Browsing Data. And here you'll notice Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you have Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also cached images and files. And under Advanced you have a few more, and these are Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and also Site Settings. If you would like to, for example, leave saved passwords smoothly unmarked, but I would like to remove everything, and finally just select the time range. So pick the period of time from which you would like to delete history, and I would like to do it fully, so I will pick all time and click on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.